Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So class, in our previous session, as you all know that we were doing exercise 5.6, okay, that is word problems on multiplication. So this was the exercise that we were doing in our last session. Okay, so from the exercise 5.6 beta, we have already done sum number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so first 4 sums we have already done. So today we are going to start with the next few sums of the same exercise. Okay, so the next sum that we are going to start today is sum number 5. Okay, so before starting with the sum, everybody kindly open your books at page number 53, that is exercise 5.6. So I am just writing the exercise here, that is 5.6. This is our exercise number. So now we are going to start with sum number 5. Okay, so let's begin with it. Sum number 5. The sum number 5 is, the price of a book is rupees 48. Find the price of such 485 books. तो कह रहे एक बुक का प्राइस, द प्राइस ऑफ अ बुक इज रुपीज 48. फाइंड द प्राइस ऑफ सच 485 बुक्स. तो कहते हैं अगर एक बुक का प्राइस 48 रुपीज़ है और वैसे ही आपके पास 485 बुक्स हैं, तो उन 485 बुक्स का प्राइस क्या होगा. द प्राइस ऑफ अ बुक इज रुपीज 48 एंड वी आर हैविंग सेम such books, the number of books that is 485. So what will be the cost of 485 such books? Okay, तो देखिए the cost of one book is given, cost of 485 books that we need to calculate. एक की दी हुई है cost, ज़्यादा की निकालनी है. So what we will do? So we are going to do the multiplication. So we are going to do the multiplication. So let's begin with sum number 5. So the price of a book is rupees 48. Find the price of such 485 books. So the price of one book is given. लिखिए price of one book. Price of one book is equal to, price of one book is equal to rupees 48 is equal to rupees 48. This is the price of one book and we need to calculate the price of 485 books. So price of, निकालना क्या है, 485 books. Price of 485 books हमें निकालना है. So this is what we need to calculate. So for this we are going to multiply the cost of one book, that is rupees 48, with the number of books, that is 485. So cost of one book is given, 485 books की निकालनी है. So let's find out. So for this we are going to multiply 48 with 485 rupees. So we are going to multiply 48 with 485 rupees. So let's multiply. देखिए, so now we are going to multiply this for calculating the price of 485 books. So let's multiply. 5 8s are 40, 0, 4 will be carried above. 5 4s are 20 plus 4. This is 24. Okay, so after multiplying 5 with 48, we got 240. Next, the second step. So we are going to put a cross here. Now let's multiply 8 with 48. 8 8s are 64. 4, 6 will be carried above. 8 fours are 32. 32 plus 6, 38. That is 38. That is 38. Next, the third step, first of all, we will put the 2 cross mark here. Now multiply 4 with 48. Okay. 4 8s are 32. 2, 3 will be carried above. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 3, 19. Okay. Now just add them all. Let's add them all to calculate the total cost of all the books. So this is 0. 4 plus 4, 8. 2 plus 8, 10 plus 2, this is 12. 2, 1 will be carried above. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 3, 13. 3, 1 will be carried above. 1 plus 1, 2. So this is 23,280. So 23,280 is this is our product. So that the product we calculated is 23,280. So what is this? This is the cost of 485 books. So that's why we are going to put a rupee mark here. तो रुपी का साइन हम यहाँ लगाएंगे क्योंकि हमारे पास प्राइस आ रहा है. So the price of 485 books is 23,280 rupees. Now, अब देखिए, now we need to write down the solution sentence and that we are going to write down according to the question. So question में देखिए क्या दिया है. Find the price of such 485 books. तो 485 books का प्राइस हमें निकालना है. So that we have already calculated here. That is 23,280. So now we are going to write the solution sentence. लिखिए therefore the price of 485 books is rupees 23,280. Full stop. So this is the solution sentence. Therefore, the price of 485 books is rupees 23,280. So this is the price of 485 books. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 5 from exercise 5.6. You can pause your videos here and note down the solution of question number 5 in your notebooks. Now let's move to the next question, that is question number 6. Okay, so I hope that you all have done it in your notebooks. So now we are moving to the next question, that is question number 6. The question number 6 is, a shopkeeper has 768 tins of ghee in stock. If each tin contains 18 kg ghee, find the total weight of ghee in stock. अब देखिए क्वेश्चन कैसा है, थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है, सुनिए. A shopkeeper has 768 tins of ghee in stock. एक शॉपकीपर के पास 768 टिन्स हैं घी के. ओके, इफ ईच टिन कंटेन्स 18 kg घी. ओके, सो अगर एक टिन में जितना भी घी है उसका वेट है दैट इज 18 kg. व्हाट इज द टोटल वेट ऑफ घी इन द स्टॉक. सो हमें निकालना है टोटल घी का वेट कितना है. ओके, सो द नंबर ऑफ टिन्स आर 768. The number of tins of ghee is 768. Okay, Now the question is the weight of 1 tin of ghee is given. Okay, so देखिए the weight of 1 tin of ghee is 18 kg, that is already given. Okay, so the weight of 1 kg ghee, 1 tin of ghee is equal to 18 kg, and we need to find the weight of 768 tins of ghee. ओके, तो देखिए एक टिन का जो वेट है घी का, एक टिन के घी का जो घी के टिन का जो वेट है वो दिया है, दैट इज 18 kg. 768 टिन्स का हमें निकालना है, एक का दिया है, ज़्यादा का निकालना है. सो व्हाट विल वी डू? वी विल डू द मल्टीप्लीकेशन. ओके, सो लेट्स डू द मल्टीप्लीकेशन. लिखिए weight of 1 tin of ghee. Weight of 1 tin of ghee, that is 18 kg. Weight of 1 tin of ghee is 18 kg. हमें निकालना है 768 tins of ghee का weight. ओके, तो लिखिए weight of 768 tins of ghee. So that we need to calculate. Weight of 768 tins of ghee, that we need to calculate. So for this we are going to multiply the weight of 1 tin, that is 18 kg, with the number of tins, that is 768. तो 1 टिन का जो वेट है उसको हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे टोटल नंबर ऑफ टिन्स ऑफ घी से, एंड देन वी विल गेट द टोटल वेट ऑफ घी इन द स्टॉक. ओके, सो लेट्स मल्टीप्लाई इट. ओके, एंड वी आर गोइंग टू शो द, हम हर सारी कैलकुलेशन वी विल एक्सप्लेन इट. ओके, 18 मल्टीप्लाई 768. 18 multiplied by 768. Okay, so let's multiply. So first of all we are going to multiply this 8 with 18. 8 8s are 64, 4, 6 will be carried above. 8 1s are 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6, that is 14. Okay, next let's put a cross here. Now we are going to multiply this 6 with 18. So 6 8s are 48. 8, 4 will be carried above. 6 8s are 48, 4 will be carried above. 6 1s are 6 plus 4, that is 10. So we will write 10. So after multiplying 6 with 18, we got 108. Next, now we are going to put the 2 cross here. So now let's multiply 7 with 18. 7 8s are 56. 6, 5 will be carried above. 7 1s are 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5, 12. That is 12. Now let's add them all. Okay, so now we are going to find the answer. This is 4. 4 plus 8, 12. 2, 1 will be carried above. 1 plus 6, 7 plus 1. This is 8. 1 plus 2, 3, and this is 1. So the product sorry. So the product that we got after multiplication is 13,824. 13,824. So this is the product that we got. So what is it? ये क्या है? दिस इज द टोटल वेट ऑफ घी इन द स्टॉक. देखिए 1 टिन के घी का स्टॉक, सॉरी 1 टिन के जो घी है, घी के टिन का वेट है 18 kg. 768 टिन्स ऑफ घी का हमें निकालना है, एंड दैट वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड by doing the multiplication, and we got the answer 13,824. Clear? Now this is the weight of ghee. So this is 13,824 kg. Okay, now the solution sentence that will be according to the question. The question is, find the total weight of ghee in stock. Therefore total weight of ghee in the stock is 13,824. So let's write down the solution sentence. Therefore total weight of ghee in the stock. Therefore total weight of ghee in the stock is 13,824 kg. That is, therefore total weight of ghee in the stock is 13,824 kg. Okay, so this is the total weight of ghee. Okay, so this is how we are going to calculate this total weight of ghee. Okay, so now we have done question number 6 as well. So now let's move to the next question, that is question number 7. Let's do question number 7. The question number 7 is, a weaving machine makes 1,148 meter cloth in a day. How much cloth will it make in 48 days? तो देखिए, एक वीविंग मशीन एक बुनाई की मशीन है जो कि एक दिन में कितना कपड़ा बनाती है? 1,148 मीटर. सो दिस इज द लेंथ ऑफ क्लोथ दैट इज मेड बाय दैट वीविंग मशीन. तो वीविंग मशीन जो क्लोथ बनाती है एक दिन में, उन्होंने उसकी मेजरमेंट दी है, दैट इज 1,148 मीटर. दिस इज द मेजरमेंट ऑफ क्लोथ दैट इज वीवन ऑन द वीविंग मशीन. नाउ वी नीड टू कैलकुलेट, अगर हम उसी वीविंग मशीन से 48 डेज तक काम करेंगे, हाउ मच क्लोथ विल वी मेक इन 48 डेज. सो क्लोथ मेड और वोवन वीव इन 1 डे. एक दिन में कितना वीव होता है, वीविंग होती है, वीविंग मशीन पे बनता है. Cloth weave in 1 day, that is 1,148 meter. Okay, now we need to calculate the cloth weave in 48 days. So 1 day में कितना क्लोथ बनता है वो हमें दिया है, 48 डेज का निकालना है. एक का दिया है, ज़्यादा का निकालना है. Again what we'll do, we will do the multiplication to find the cloth, the total measurement of the cloth that is woven in 48 days. So let's do it. Cloth weave in 1 day. Okay, cloth weave just a second. Okay, cloth weave in 1 day, एक दिन में. Cloth weave in 1 day is equal to 1,148 meter. 1,148 meter cloth weave in 1 day. हमें निकालना है cloth weave in 48 days. cloth, weave, W-E-A-V-E, weave in 48 days. 48 डेज में कितना वीव करेंगे वो हमें निकालना है. तो 1 डे का दिया है, 48 डेज का निकालना है. सो फॉर दैट व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इज we will do the multiplication. So for this we are going to multiply the cloth weave in 1 day, that is 1148, with number of days, that is 48. So let's multiply 1148 with 48. करिए. 1148 multiply 48. Okay, so let's multiply it. 8 8s are 64. So 4 will be here, 6 will be carried above. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 6, 38. 8. 3 will be carried above. 8 1s are 8 plus 3. That is 11. 1. The next one will be carried here. Next, again we are having 8. 8 1s are 8 plus 1. This is 9. So after multiplying 1148 with 8, we got 9184. Next, we will put a cross mark here. Okay, so now we are going to multiply this 4 with 1148. Okay, so 4 8s are 32. 2 will be here, the 3 will be carried above. Next, okay, now multiply 4 with 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 3, that is 19. So here we will put the 9 and the 1 will be carried above to the next number. Okay, now next, 4 1s are 4 plus 1. This is 5. 4 1s are 4. So after multiplication we got this. Now we will find the product by adding these two numbers. So this is 4. Okay, this is 4. 8 plus 2, 10. 0. 1 will be carried next. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 1. This is 11. 1, the 1 will be carried next. Okay, 9 plus 5, 14 plus 1, this is 15. 5, 1 will be carried next. Next, 4 plus 1, 5. So the product is 55,104. So what is this? 55,104 ये क्या है? So this is the total measurement of the cloth that is made on the weaving machine in 48 days. तो देखिए 48 days में कितना मीटर क्लोथ बनाया? That is 55,104 meter. This is the total length of the cloth that is woven on weaving machine in 48 days. Now we are going to write the solution sentence. अब देखिए solution sentence will be according to the question. The question is, how much cloth will it make in 48 days? So हम क्या लिखेंगे? Therefore 55,104 meter cloth is made in 48 days. So let's write down. Therefore 55,104 meter cloth is made in 48 days. Full stop. So this is the total measurement of the cloth that is made on the weaving machine in 48 days. Okay, and this is our solution sentence as well. So cloth weave in 1 day is given, cloth weave in 48 days we have calculated by multiplying them and after multiplication we got 55,104. This is the total measurement of cloth that is woven 48 days. Clear? So this is the solution of question number 7. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Chaliye. Now we are moving to the next. The next question is question number 8. So now we are moving to the next question, that is the 8th one. The next is question number 8. The question number 8 is, the water capacity of a tank is 1325 liters. Find the total capacity of 74 such tanks. तो कहते हैं एक वाटर टैंक की कैपेसिटी है 1325 लीटर. सो दिस इज द कैपेसिटी ऑफ वन वाटर टैंक. ओके, और हमारे पास अगर ऐसे ही 74 टैंक्स और हैं, सो व्हाट इज द टोटल कैपेसिटी ऑफ ऑल दोज 74 टैंक्स ऑल टुगेदर. तो वन वाटर टैंक की कैपेसिटी दी है 74 की निकालनी है, एक की दी है ज़्यादा की निकालनी है. सो फॉर दैट वी आर गोइंग टू डू दी मल्टीप्लीकेशन. ओके, बट ये जो हमारे पास टोटल निकाली है वो किसकी, वो 74 की इकट्ठी है. ओके, चलिए तो लिखिए. ओके, वाटर कैपेसिटी या द कैपेसिटी ऑफ वन वाटर टैंक is equal to 1325 liters. Capacity of one water tank is equal to 1325 liters. 1325 liters. So the capacity of one water tank is 1325 liters. हमें निकालिए 74 such tanks की capacity of कितने निकलेगा 74. Capacity of 74 water tanks. That we need to calculate, and that we will calculate by multiplying the capacity of one water tank with the number of tanks, that is 74. So 1325 multiplied by 74. Okay, so let's multiply and get the answer. 1325 multiplied by 74. So let's multiply. 4 5s are 20, 0, 2 will be carried above. 4 2s are 8 plus 2. This is 10, 0, 1 will be carried next. 4 3s are 12 plus 1. This is 13, 1 will be carried next. 4 1s are 4 plus 1. This is 5. So we got 5300. Next, let's multiply 7. 7 5s are 35, 5, 3 will be carried above. 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 3. That is 17, 7, 1 will be carried next. 7 3s are 21 plus 1. This is 22. 2, again 2 will be carried next. 7 1s is 7 plus 2. This is 9. So let's calculate the total. This is 0, 5, 10, 5 6 7 8, and this is 9. So this is liters. So this is the total capacity of 74 tanks. So now we are going to write the solution sentence according to the question. Find the total capacity of 74 such tanks. तो लिखिए, therefore total capacity of 74 tanks is 98,050 liters. That is 98,050 liters. Total capacity of 74 tanks is 98,050 liters. So this is the solution of question number 8 of exercise 5.6. Okay. So with this, I'm just ending the today's session here only class. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody, have a great day.